Hello, and thank you so much for joining us today in today's webinar with our auto dealership program designed to show you ways of saving thousands of dollars throughout your car dealership.
All right, a little bit of housekeeping before we get started with today's presentation. This webinar has been prepared solely for informational purposes only and is not intended to constitute any legal advice. So if you have any legality questions, we encourage you to reach out to your lawyer. Now, go ahead, sit back and relax, turn your volume up, and watch this brief commercial about cost plus processing and what it is that we do.
Did you know that as a business owner, you could save thousands of dollars each month on your credit card processing expenses and other payment transactions? At Cost Plus Processing, we're here to help you do exactly that. First, we offer a wide range of services, such as zero-cost credit card processing, payroll services via ADP, and cash discount programs, among others, which are all customized to meet your processing and business needs. Secondly, we take pride in building lifelong partnerships with our clients while helping them eliminate unnecessary costs. We work hand in hand with you through the entire process, ensuring you're equipped with everything you need to make huge savings on your processing fees. Even better, we offer 24/7 customer support, so you can now rest easy knowing that your queries will be expertly answered. Visit www.costplusprocessingllc.com or call 1-855-391-9190 today and let us help you reduce your processing fees significantly.
So, some quick talking points today that we're going to cover is number one, who is cost plus processing? Two, the credit card industry legal changes. Three, cash discount and what cash discount is versus surcharging. And the most important part, savings, how we can put some of your hard-earned money back into your pocket.
Just a quick note and message from Phil Benamino, our founder and CEO of Cost Plus Processing. He brings over 25 years of experience to the industry, as well as collectively at Cost Plus Processing, we bring over 100 years of experience to the industry. Cost Plus prides themselves on having strong leadership and knowledge within the credit card industry world and providing you with quality customer service. At the end of the day, we're seeking lifelong relationships with all of our business owners.
As you can see, Cost Plus Processing maintains an A-plus rating with the Better Business Bureau. Our customer service department has won multiple awards throughout the years for serving our customers 365 days a year, 24/7 every single day. Keep in mind, our business owners here are also provided other complete business solutions, not just merchant processing. We offer services such as payroll services, POS solutions, mobile solutions, ATM solutions. We can provide next day funding and even same day funding. We offer check guarantees, so you no longer have to worry about bouncing a check or having to go to the bank and make that deposit for you. We provide a gift and loyalty program, as well as cash advances for businesses that want to spike their business as well. Keep in mind, every single customer of ours comes with a lifetime rate guarantee for life. We want to make sure that we fall nothing short than a lifetime relationship. As you can see, Cost Plus Processing has already partnered with many different automotive groups, as well as different brands of dealerships that are out there today. So real quick, got a few questions I want to ask you, and I want you to think to yourself if you answer yes or no to either of these questions. Number one, are you tired of your processor taking 2 to 4% of your total credit and debit card sales? Number two, are you tired of those annual fees, those miscellaneous junk fees that are charged you all the time? Three, are you tired of losing cash sales because you're really not giving your customers any incentives to actually use cash? Four, are you tired of trying to understand your monthly merchant statements? Because you and I both know it's purposely designed to confuse you. Number five, are you tired of paying for your customers' incentives, such as their air miles, their cash back, their hotel rewards, and all their gifts? And last but not least, number six, are you tired of your credit card processing fees constantly increasing every April and October due to interchange increases? If you answer yes to any of these questions whatsoever, Cost Plus Processing has the program for you.
Now I know what you're thinking. How can we offer zero fees? Currently, more than 99% of businesses accepting credit cards are on traditional programs. These businesses pay a variety of different daily, monthly, and annual fees. In addition, they pay a percentage of all sales for the privilege of accepting credit cards as a form of payment. When you add up all of those fees and percentages that business owners are forced to pay, we've seen it come out to anywhere as high as 4% of their gross credit card sales. With rising credit card costs and overall increases in businesses owners are finding it harder and harder to cover their expenses. A solution was needed to offset these expenses and maintain a reasonable profit margin. Thanks to years of legal battles such as the payment card interchange fee and merchant discount antitrust litigation, and the passing of laws such as the Dodd-Frank Wall Street Reform and Consumer Protection Act, the Durbin Amendment, merchants can now pass the processing fees to the cardholder.
So as you can see here on this slide, Congress has been fighting and battling Visa and MasterCard and all these astronomical fees that they've been charging since 2010 when the Durbin Amendment and the Dodd-Frank Act was actually passed. Throughout the years, people have been fighting to allow the merchants to be able to surcharge their customers to collect these fees back to the merchant themselves. You can see that many states regulated this, and now, as of today in 2023, every single state in the United States, except for two that remain, which are actually Connecticut and Massachusetts, are able to now currently surcharge customers or do dual pricing to recover those astronomical fees. So as stated before, the two states that are not still legal to surcharge are Connecticut and Massachusetts. Keep in mind that there is a massive gray area around surcharging in many of the other states. That's why with cash discount, giving a customer dual pricing, it is legal in every state, and it can also be done in both Connecticut and Massachusetts as well. So quick question for you. Are you starting to see more and more out there in the marketplace today where there's dual pricing, where customers now have a choice where they either have a cash price and they have a credit card price? And noting that if they pay with cash, there's a little bit less of a fee, therefore discounted, than if they pay with a credit card. This is becoming more and more popular in today's society.
So right now you're being penalized and you're having to pay these astronomical fees. And unfortunately, you're paying for your cardholders' rewards. Did you know that credit card companies are offering 1 to 10% cash back just to use those cards? If you look at this slide here, you'll see, for example, you've got anything from your Chase Freedom Unlimited card all the way up to your Capital One Savers card, and they're paying up to 10% cash back to be able to use those benefits for those rewards. Right now, you're paying for your cardholders to do business with you, but instead you could be putting that hard-earned money back into your pocket.
Okay, so let's talk about the difference between a surcharging program and a cash discount program. We have both programs here at Cost Plus Processing, and we want to find out which program is going to be best for your business. Now, with a surcharge program, the most you can surcharge a customer is actually 3%. And as we've learned earlier through the slide presentation, there are two states, still Connecticut and Massachusetts, that are not allowed to surcharge. This does give a customer a choice, because they can have a little bit of a benefit. If they utilize a debit card, they're not paying any card fees associated with that. However, that also means that you as a merchant will then absorb that card fee, which is going to be about 1% to cover all the costs that are associated with those debit cards. So this does not eliminate 100% of your processing fees. And keep in mind, too, that you must be registered as a surcharge ISO with Visa, MasterCard as well, which, of course, we would make sure that that happens for you. Now, that program's available, and it works for many businesses. However, if you're looking to cover the most amount of money and put the bottom line biggest amount of money back into your pocket, the dual pricing cash discount program is by far the best one available, and it is legal in every single state. This gives your customers both a choice. When they go to the register, there's literally a cash price and a credit card price. So they get to choose if they want a cash discount, a smaller price, then they use their cash. And if they don't want to take advantage of that, then they're going to use their card. Now, the nice thing about this is no matter what card they use, whether it be a credit card or debit card, your fees are now covered 100%. So again, both programs are available. Which program's best for your business? So let's just take a look at your current situation. Currently right now, if your customer has a $100 invoice to pay, and let's just say your effective rate is around 2% with your current processor, that means it's costing you 2% to accept their business. Therefore, you're only putting about $98 cash back into your register. However, with Cost Plus Processing and our dual pricing program, it now gives your customer a choice of how they pay. And whether they pay with cash or they pay with card, you actually put the full $100 back into your register.
Here's the customer's perspective of a cash discount or surcharge display on a terminal. So at the time of purchase, this is what the terminal is going to read. It's going to read $103. If they pay with cash, they're going to receive the cash discount of $100. And if they choose to pay with their card, they're going to pay the $103. Regardless of how your customer chooses to pay, you're still going to net the full $100. So the sale has happened, the transaction has gone through. Here's what your customer's receipt perspective is going to look like. If you look to the right here, you've got your example of receipts. The top one is a credit card sale. So it'll show that the total was $103, and it'll show the verbiage below it saying, if paid with cash, you would have saved $3. The below sample receipt is a cash sale. So it shows that the cash sale was $100, and because you paid with cash, you saved $3.
Keep in mind, we also have available text to pay where we can email or text any receipts or any invoices to your customers to allow them the ability to pay by phone, or if they just don't want to keep the receipt paper and be a little bit more eco-friendly for your business.
So at Cost Plus, we always want you to be transparent with your customers. And so therefore, we're going to provide you with a signage that allows you to do just that. This is just an example of what the signage would say. It says, we offer a discounted price when you pay with cash. You will have the option to pay the full price or the discounted price at the register. Pay with cash and save.
One of the biggest developments that we've done here at Cost Plus Processing for our automotive groups is being able to provide them reporting with invoice numbers and users. This is something that most car dealerships are not able to do with any other company but Cost Plus Processing. So keep in mind, unlike many companies who charge for new terminals anywhere between $400 to $600, or try to put you on a lease where you're paying a monthly fee for 48 months or 70 months, Cost Plus Processing actually gives you all the hardware you need absolutely free. There's no cost to you whatsoever. Also, many companies charge you monthly fees as high as $99. You will pay just a flat fee of $30 only with your program today. And of course, the text to pay, if that's something else that you wanted to incorporate into your business, companies are charging $125 to $175 for that, whereas Cost Plus Processing will charge you only a flat $75. So keep in mind, if you still want a traditional program where you're literally paying the fees and absorbing those costs that are associated with the credit cards, we still have those programs available for you as well. The difference is with Cost Plus, you get a lifetime rate guarantee forever, which means if you're going to pay the fees, you might as well at least have the opportunity to pay less fees than what you're currently paying. Give us a chance. We'll show you exactly what we can save you.
We're always looking for other ways to save our clients money. We don't like to just call ourselves credit card processors. We like to be a one-stop shop for all of your financial and business needs. So we're really proud to also say that we do check guarantee services, so you can sleep good at night knowing even if a check is bad, that your money is going to clear and we'll take care of the rest. We have Run Payroll powered by ADP at wholesale cost. And we also have ATM solutions for quick cash.
So now you know we've given you every single reason to do business with Cost Plus Processing. Let's do an analysis for you, and let's see what program is right for your business. Go ahead and email us a copy of your statement to get you started now. You could send it to statements, spelled STATEMENTS, at cpp.life. Once again, that's statements at cpp.life. We're looking forward to your partnership and a long-term relationship. So thank you once again for taking the time out to hear about Cost Plus Processing. I hope we've answered all of your questions today. And if not, remember, you can still email us at statements@cpp.life or give us a call to get started today at 770-391-9191, extension 7. Again, that's 770-391-9191, extension 7. Or email me directly, Phil, PHIL, at cpp.life. Once again, that's Phil at cpp.life. Let's find out the right program for you.